Okay, in this tutorial, I would love to teach you how to bind your meta features with your Binance API. Okay, and I would also like to teach you how to copy a trade. All right, but the first thing we're going to be doing is to try and see if we can bind this API. Okay, it is not difficult. If you have used bots like Royal Kill bots before, like Big Gap bots before, then the same process that you use to bind your API with those bots is the same way you're gonna have to do it with these bots. Depending on how fast your internet connection is, it usually takes a couple of seconds or minutes to fully launch this bot. So this is the home tab. So on the home tab, I'm going to click on bind API. All right, so when I click on bind API, I'll click on Binance. Okay, because I already have an API that is already binded here, so I will not need to bind API again. I'm just trying to show you where to go to. Okay, so this is the exact place to go to. All right, so this is the API key, secret key, and verification code right here. So we have to read the terms and conditions, and click on it so they can be able to fully activate. So I'll go to Binance now and show you where to get your API keys on Binance. So this is the Binance home page. Then click on more. So when you click on more, scroll down to the last part and click on API management. So by the time you get to the API management, you need to click on create API. So when you click on create API, you have to type the label. Let me say test API. So I'll click on next. So I'll verify this captcha. This is the captcha. I'll verify it. Once this captcha is verified, the next thing you want to do is to click on get code for mobile and for email. Okay, so I will pause this now and get those codes. Now I'll continue from there. Okay, so I'll click on submit after getting all the codes. All right, so at this stage, we have been able to generate the API, as you can see. So I'll click on edit API. Okay, now I'll click on this arrow button. So by clicking this arrow button, you're able to get your API and the secret keys. All right, then you click on this restrict API. Then you come here, you go back to the app, and copy the IP, the IP. So copy the IP, then go back to, okay, let me copy it. So copy this IP. Is it copied yet? Okay, copy this IP, then go back to your Binance, paste it and confirm it. So after pasting and confirming it, the next one to do is to click on enable features trading. Okay, so the only thing you need to click on is enable features trading. Then after all that, you click on save. When you click on save, okay, let me remove this. Okay, but you have to bind it, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to bind it. So I'll click on save. Then I'll have to get the OTP code. So this is the OTP code. I will paste it here and I'll click on OK. It becomes submitted automatically. Yeah, that's it. That is all you have to do to create an API. Then you copy this API from here, you copy it, then you paste it. Sorry about that. So then you paste it here, for instance. All right, so you copy the secret keys. So this is the secret key. You copy it, then you come back to the app, then you paste it here. Yeah, so by the time you click on send code, a code will be sent to your email address. Copy that code and paste it also, and click on continue. Once you do this, then you successfully binded your API with the meta features bot. So I'll go back because I'm not interested in that. So if you want to copy, maybe I should not make this video longer anymore. Okay, so I'll make a different video on how to copy a trait.